you doing? What you doing, Claire? November 9th, 2008. We're playing on the floor. You Grandma's little angel. Is that what your sweater says? Grandma's little angel, huh, sweetie? Yeah. What are you doing? You playing with the camera cord? Yeah. Ooh, that's Bobby's tummy. He's hungry again. You having fun today? You had a good visit with Uncle Brennan, didn't you, sweetie? Huh? Did you have a good visit with Uncle Brennan? Did you see him? Yes, you did. Oh, you want to touch the camera? Cutie, you're my 6-month-old now. Say, I'm 6 months old, Mommy. I'm 6 months old, Mommy. Wowzers. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. You're 6 months old, you cutie. Ew, you just spit up and then eat it again? That's gross. That's gross. Apples in my cereal. Doesn't taste too good, huh? Beautiful. I love you so much, honey. I love you so much. Oh, I got the pop-up sneeze on video. I got the pop-up sneeze on video. I'm gonna have to post this one to YouTube so Pop-Up can see it. He'll be so proud of you. He'll be so proud of you. You sneeze just like Pop-Pop. Yeah. Okay. Alright, say bye-bye. Okay, I'll take that as bye-bye. Bye-bye.